Ka Jingiap na ka Jingbthei Dynamite ako ka pardo yung bea nya ka than men sngat thang sko ha Jingiap Hills kala kenjo sya ka arp sanmut kat ha ka hendru tarik urampang ar hajar arpun rio. Kani keja hadian ba ha ka hendru tarik urampang layo bensai sa hendru teli ki yap bad way pat nong bela ula mensau udai ubala klat no Hanegrams Hospital na ka Jingstomjer. Superintendent ki pulet ke District East Janta Hills Vikash Kumar ula pensisya bagi pulet keliau ban kami ki Arngut ki beriau ki berhenti akan ki jengja. Ini ki Arngut bala syakem ki kentep yu form cermang lai penderus nam kerta uban alat jalap het pordong bat usyamehi war sau puar senam kerta uban asutengah po wailong. Lara ikini ki Arngut jika yang syari kebala ai bor ki pulet ban set ikini salai sni ban penlong ya kejeng tokit ke babania. Sahnyungut kinong bala kidang dan kejeng ma kidang dan hapok kejeng sumar. Kejeng sei ki mediap kalong bestam nomor kejeng yang kejaka kemaranap bat kebama bandrong nomor kejeng Jingbthei. Sarkar bagi bor penyak distrik yang sedang mencuri kesenjam ki betengek ban pengat ya kinong lek bean ya ki kendon ki ban penstom ki. Kini kejeng ja ke berserkai kalau pengen biang ya ki bor sensyar Halor kejeng long sebab pelat akan ti Dewiong bean. Belsyem kejeng em jaging belah ki baduk bawan nakal yang kejaka. Hadu mentak ki badang don hapok kejeng Semar Hospital ki kentup ya udawa Sherpa Raju Tamang Zamil Ahmed Shanki Shela Bam Bahadur Deb Malakar Korna Monggal bad ulalit magar.
Had a very tragic incident that took place in East Jingbthei Hills, where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in Minsingot, Thangsko area in East Jingbthei Hills. This happened today at around 11 a.m. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Yalong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnels from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course, the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. It takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakman Rumbui and Mr. Wailat Mikishela, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials, and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You're aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time, individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life. We are waiting for further report that comes in, and based on that, I will be in regular touch with the press. I will regularly inform you. I will update you about the information myself. But this is the information that we have as of now. So I thought I will share that with you. Levels inquiry will be held as to number one, which illegal activities were going on by whom, including aspects of why this dynamite blast took place, who was responsible for that, and what was it related to. We're not aware about this. I mean the real details and the facts. So we have to find all those things out. Every department will have to go into all details of what's happening, and at the deputy commissioner level also there will be inquiry, the police level also there will be inquiry. So all the related departments, all the related activities that are taking place, every each and every aspect will be looked into. And as I said, and all those who are responsible for this, very firm action will be taken in this case. But I can only say this much, that majority, it seems majority, again I'm using the word it seems because I've only received it on WhatsApp. I think it's not proper for me to say it without getting a confirmed official note. But it seems that most of the laborers, or a majority, are from outside, but there are some local laborers also. That more than 1,000 cases have been registered, more than close to 1,000, hundreds of people that has been charge sheeted, and therefore at continuous basis the administration is continuing their actions to catch the people and to the as mentioned in my statement given earlier, that this location also is a very, very interior location, which is not accessible through normal routes, and requires 4x4 vehicles to enter there. So you can well imagine that in a large space, it is not always the easiest thing for police with a limited manpower. As I said, limited in the sense that for normal law and order situation, we could have normal manpower and sufficient manpower. But if the police is expected to also do regular surveys and search and in details, it would require much more larger manpower. But also, I'm sharing with you that we have also given necessary instructions in this comprehensive action and report that we're going to do. That additional manpower from the police side will also be sent. IG himself has gone. So all those aspects will be examined. I do remember this aspect of thing. I don't know whether it was the same mine, same location, same area or not. I'll have to see. The details are not there with me right now. But as I said, that's the reason why, as mentioned in my tweet, my message that I put earlier, that we will be doing a comprehensive inquiry into this, which will include this particular aspect also.